So what happens to our children today? The UNESCO report shows that there are so many students that do not have access to quality education because of different needs that are not catered to in the classroom. And this speaks loudly about the extent to which we really need database teaching approach so that it can help us identify all these needs of the students and also accommodate them so that they can have access to the quality of education. And also, it tells more the extent to which this teaching approach is not yet practiced in different parts of the world. What is the problem, or how did we come to this point? So, all the challenges that are associated with data-based approaches that are, first of all, there is limited data sourcing approaches. Like teachers don't have access to how they can access data from students. The other thing is that there is low level of data literacy among teachers. So many teachers do not know how to access these data, and some of them do not even know how to analyze and interpret this data in the context of the classroom. And the other thing is that we have some of the tools that we can use to access data, but they are very complex in the extent that teachers needed to be computer literate to be able to use these tools. For instance, if you think of, let's say, Moodle as one of the teaching and learning management system, you realize that just understanding how many students logged into the platform or how many students were able to access the materials and something like that, it's not easy. It's something that you don't get from the dashboard. And it is from all these challenges that database teaching approach is not practiced as it was expected. And thus, our children are still struggling. And in our project, we have approached these challenges by developing a tool that is very user friendly in the sense that teachers can easily access the data and also interpret the data so that they can develop the relevant intervention for teachers. And we will be talking more about our tool in the next um, coming sessions. Thank you for your attention.